Right, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to PEPE update today. So I have been able to win really nicely. Okay, so we've on August we've got Luna Classic with a 41% win, Meme Coin was 20% win, PEPE 25% win, which is similar to PEPE with an I. Okay, so there's an I at the end. So you can check the video for what the private is. I've actually given you on the top right. You can check that video and learn more about the private, how to join that. 5 to 6 more days and we're going to close for September. Okay, so far when I was giving the call for people to join, some of them joined and they actually they got 41% move so far. And not only did they get it, but a few days ago, if you have been watching Pepe updates, I've told you that a lot of people say that this is a little bit of a pattern that actually broke out. So when we broke out, I gave you the technical target to come up to 8811 as well, and this was pretty much met. Now at the moment you do have this resistance that has already been broken. So you have a break above, a retest, and this retest is actually pretty successful, and we might just see Pepe coming up to 10233. And that's pretty much it for this update, quick one, and I'm going to see you the next one. Office.